In addition to numbers and Boolean values, which are true and false, Python also has strings, which is an array of characters. A Python string is any text surrounded by either single or double quotes. Here are some examples. Notice that strings can not only contain the alphabet, but also numbers and symbols, such as commas and question marks. Let's try out Python strings in a simulator. First, we store tx in variable a. Then we store El Paso on variable b. Then we store tx again in variable c. Next, we check if a is equal to b. And the result is false. Finally, we check if a is equal to c. And this should be true, since both a and c have tx. And we're finished.